everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to be tackling my next sewing project. I made a book sleeve in last week's video and I showed a photo to my mom and she thought it was really cute. So I'm gonna be making her own book sleeve with this Snoopy fabric. She is a huge Snoopy fan, so I thought this could be really cute and a nice Mother's Day gift. I'm also gonna be making her a matching wristlet. I got these little Snoopy charms, so I'm thinking a wristlet will be really cute, and then I can just attach some of these charms to the wristlet. I also have a pretty big bookmark order I need to work on. They got pretty much every single bookmark design, which is really fun and exciting, so we'll be working on that as well. But let's go ahead and jump into this sewing project. I got the two outer pieces all quilted. Now I have to do the ribbon and then add on the inner lining. I'm trying to do this by memory, but if I need to, I will pull up that same tutorial. But one thing I remember to do is to cut it larger. The one I made last week, I cut to an 8x10 and then it ended up being too small. So I cut this one to a 10x12. So I'm hoping that this is a lot better size and will hold hardcovers. So we'll see. If I need to make another one, I definitely can. But let me go ahead and sew the ribbons and then I will attach these at the top and the center. The book sleeve, I think it turned out really cute. I was worried I made it too small again, but thankfully it does fit a hardcover book. So there is her first Mother's Day gift. I'm gonna try and make her a matching wristlet with the same Snoopy fabric. That way I can use one of the Snoopy charms. But I think this turned out really cute. I do wish I would have had a gray inner fabric to match the paw prints on the Snoopy fabric, but I still think the polka dot one is really cute. So there is the finished book sleeve. So the wristlet that I made for my first sewing project, I ended up cutting it at 2 inches and it's too small and doesn't fit the hardware. So I'm gonna try 2.5 and hopefully that will fit a little bit better. And then I can't remember exactly how long I made it. I think I made it 10 inches long and 2 wide. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try 2.5 and 10 wide and see how that goes. But I think that would be really cute that she can use for her keys and stuff, and then also the matching book sleeve. So let's go ahead and make the wristlet. For watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me sew my mom some Mother's Day gifts and working on a big bookmark order. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye!